Hello once again, everybody. It's 5:43 and 7 seconds on July 31st. This is the main drawing for the Frank Miller Wolverine mini set, the CGC set. Over here on the left are the 16 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is a big number. It's 15. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 15th roll will get the books. I'm going to have to say I'm probably not going to be able to ship these out until Thursday. Just want to give everybody the heads up. So away we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the final one. 15, John Gray, spot 10 with the mini win, wins the main. 5:44 and 5 seconds.